Alright, I just want to show what Keith and I kind of have going on here. We have the Excalibur, which are these 4 mortar tubes, and then we have some homemade tubes in here. We're going to go a little higher than the Excalibur. In the middle we have another Excalibur inside of a bigger tube, and when they all fuse up, what's going to end up happening is the outside is going to go before these ones, which should go higher because they're in the longer tube. And when all these are said and done, the middle is going to go up. And then if we go over here, we have a cake board. And on the cake board we have a couple of cakes at the very beginning. Like this one fuse. These 2 are going to go off the same exact time. They've already been cut and timed out. Then you have another one about, let's see, 17 seconds later. We're going to have this one go off, which is a black cat firework. And it is, let's see, let's get after it, it's called. That's the Let's Get After It. Inside this is an old NASCAR star we lit off on the 4th of July, but the tube's are the right size to shoot off mortars, so we ended up filling them with mortar balls, and they're all fused and timed. From there, we want so many seconds, so we got green, then we get some pink, going to green again, which is going to end up, this type of green actually goes to the mortar balls. These shoot about 180 feet in the air. This one will go, that one will go, this one will go. And about 6 seconds later, we're going to go into this group, and they're all going to start shooting. And 6 seconds after that, we're going to shoot all this, this, and this. And then about 10 seconds later, these will pretty much be wrapping up, and we're going to go right into 4 cakes at the same time. I'm going to go with this Cover Your Ears, and then we're going to go into a gator cake, which is like the car gator. And we're going to go into the 200 gram with 8 shots, Stressed Out, right there, into a dark ghost. And they're all going to be going off at the same time. Then we move over here, and we have about 15 mortars, which are all fused, and they're going to go 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, all the way down through. So one's basically going to shoot off after the other. And then when that's done, we're going to move on over here to this cake board, where we have 2 cakes. We have a yikes, a 500 gram cake. Very nice. Glued down to the board, you can't move. We glue everything down for safety reasons, and I recommend doing that all the time. So then we have another one here called Noisy Boys, another 500 gram cake. These 2 are going to go off within about 15 seconds of each other. Should make a nice display in the air. Then we're going to go over here to our finale board, which is all 500 gram cakes, which are going to be powder keg. And then we're going to have the fast food, and we're going to have the guerrilla warfare, and the razor's edge. And they're all timed within about 10 to 15 seconds each before they go off, so it's really going to be a nice display.